How to use the music sticker for Instagram stories. Let's get started. First thing first, open up the Instagram and just tap the profile icon at the top left to open your camera. Here, select a photo or video. Once you have got your perfect photo or video ready, tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen. In the sticker menu, you will see music. Just click on it. Now here's the fun part. You can search for your favorite song or browse the categories like trending music or even mood. Once you have found the song you love, just select it and tap on the arrow button. Once you are happy with your song, tap done and the music sticker will appear on your story. You can resize, move and rotate it to place anywhere on your screen. Lastly, hit your story button at the bottom. Your story is now live with the perfect soundtrack, and that's how you add a music sticker to your Instagram story.